DevOps Tools Series, Number 3 Ansible, the ultimate configuration management tool. What is Ansible? Ansible is a popular open-source configuration management tool that is used to automate the management of IT infrastructure. It was created by Michael DeHaan in 2012 and is now maintained by the Ansible community. How Ansible works. Ansible works by using a simple, declarative language to define the desired state of IT infrastructure. It then automates the process of configuring and managing that infrastructure to ensure that it matches the desired state. Ansible uses SSH to communicate with remote machines and can be used to manage both Linux and Windows environments. Step-by-step guide to use in production. Number 1 Install Ansible on your server. Number 2 Create an inventory file that lists the servers you want to manage. Number 3 Create a playbook file that defines the desired state of your infrastructure. Number 4 Run the playbook using the ansible-playbook command to configure your infrastructure. Number 5 Monitor your infrastructure to ensure that it matches the desired state. Use cases and best practices. Ansible is used extensively in DevOps environments for automating the configuration and management of IT infrastructure. Best practices for using Ansible include using roles to organize playbook code, using variables to make playbooks reusable, and using Ansible Galaxy to share and reuse roles. Let's talk about real-time examples. Let's say you are an IT administrator for a company that has multiple servers running different operating systems such as Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. You need to ensure that all the servers are running the latest security patches and updates, and that specific software is installed on each one. Traditionally, this would require you to log into each server individually, install the software and perform the updates manually. This process can be time-consuming, error-prone, and frustrating. However, using Ansible, you can automate this entire process, saving you a lot of time and effort. Here's how you can use Ansible to accomplish this task. Number 1 Write an inventory file that lists all the servers you want to manage. Number 2 Create a playbook that specifies the tasks you want to perform on each server, such as installing software or updating the operating system. Number 3 Run the playbook using Ansible, which will execute the specified tasks on each server. In summary, Ansible can be used to automate complex IT tasks across multiple servers in real time, saving time and increasing efficiency.